Where it's raining right now is up to the north, well up across Gainesville, stretching up towards Levy County, up towards the Nature Coast and the Big Bend. Heavy rain up here. This is where a complex of storms is developing, and we'll continue to. It's relatively slow moving right now, but we'll keep an eye on it as some of it slides south, or we could see new development here over the next few hours. But at least at this point, morning commute, 5, 6, 7 o'clock should be okay. We'll keep an eye on it, though. Futurecast for this point kind of delaying the arrival of that rain, so perhaps more close to 10 or 11 o'clock, we'll see some of those showers spill in up north of I-4. But as you could see, once that happens, the heavy complex of storms basically moves right on top of us. So think heavy rain, gusty winds, and potentially even some small hail out of this. Could be some disruptive weather in the middle of the day for you today. So umbrella is helpful. Make sure you are staying weather aware as you're out and about. It looks like we'll try to shift some of this to the south the second half of the day, but it looks like the best moisture, best environment for unstable weather is going to be toward north today. And then how about we do it again tomorrow? This is the picture tomorrow morning. Again, timing iffy with systems like this because you got to get it to develop first and then you could track its movement. But it looks like tomorrow's situation could be very similar with showers around. 80s and 70s, the warmest temperatures along the coast. We still have high pressure to the north, which is still giving us that onshore component of the wind, keeping those morning temperatures elevated. Inland, nice and cozy into the 70s. Upper 80s this afternoon. We're still keeping an eye on Brett. Weak tropical storm. That's what this is right here. Developed yesterday. Winds are west at 17, so it's moving very fast, but it's still moving in an area where more development, more strengthening could happen as it approaches the Lesser Antilles. So these areas are going to be on guard, and we're talking a potential hurricane on approach. Still a couple scenarios that could play out depending on the strength of the system at that point. Could it recurve to the north, or could it end up in the Caribbean? The other area behind it, redeeming 93L at this point, 60 to 70% chance of formation there. At this point, most of the models are keeping this one out to sea, but of course, if anything changes there, we'll let you know. So no real concern for either of them for us, but of course, it's hurricane season, so we watch every storm. 15 to 20 knot winds on the water. Seas are elevated too. Choppy conditions, not great boating. Plus, we got to watch the storms approaching off the coast. Waterspout threat is up today. 7-day forecast shows even potentially higher rain chances tomorrow. High temps around 90 the next 7 days.